In the world of woodworking, the potential to create beautiful, functional pieces that can be sold for profit is immense. Quick-build wood furniture and decor items are particularly appealing to both novice and seasoned woodworkers, as they allow for creativity while also being time-efficient. With the right tools, materials, and a little ingenuity, anyone can turn their woodworking hobby into a profitable venture. The key lies in understanding the market, identifying popular trends, and mastering techniques that enable quick production. One of the most appealing aspects of woodworking is the versatility of wood as a material. It can be shaped, stained, painted, and finished in countless ways, allowing for a wide range of styles from rustic to modern. This versatility opens up numerous opportunities for creating quick-build items that cater to various tastes and preferences. For instance, simple wooden shelves are always in demand. They can be made with minimal tools and materials, yet they serve a functional purpose and can be styled to fit different home aesthetics. A basic floating shelf can be constructed in under an hour using just a few boards, brackets, and screws. By offering different finishes or sizes, woodworkers can appeal to a broader audience. Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of quick-build wood furniture and wood decor ideas to make money as a woodworker you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another popular item is the wooden crate or storage box. These can be built quickly using basic joinery techniques and are highly sought after for their practicality. They serve as decorative storage solutions for everything from toys to blankets and can be easily customized with paint or stencils to match a customer's decor. A simple design can be enhanced with personal touches like handles or dividers, making them not only functional but also visually appealing. The ease of construction means that a woodworker can produce several crates in a single day, maximizing profit potential. Coffee tables are another staple in the furniture market that can be built quickly with minimal materials. A basic design using plywood or reclaimed wood can be completed in just a few hours. By incorporating unique elements like hairpin legs or a live edge finish, woodworkers can create standout pieces that attract buyers looking for something special. Additionally, offering customization options such as size or finish can help to cater to individual preferences, making these tables even more appealing. Outdoor furniture is increasingly popular as more people invest in their outdoor living spaces. Quick-build projects like picnic tables, benches, or Adirondack chairs can be constructed using pressure-treated lumber for durability. These items not only sell well, but also allow woodworkers to showcase their skills by adding personal touches or intricate designs. For example, a simple bench can be transformed with a slatted backrest or armrests, making it both comfortable and stylish. The outdoor furniture market is particularly lucrative during the warmer months, so timing production to coincide with seasonal demand can lead to increased sales. Wall art made from wood is another avenue for quick builds that can yield high profits. Wooden signs with inspirational quotes or personalized family names are always in demand. Using techniques like wood burning or painting allows for customization without requiring extensive woodworking skills. A woodworker can create several signs in a day, especially if they prepare multiple pieces of wood beforehand. Additionally, incorporating reclaimed wood adds character and appeals to eco-conscious consumers. Small home decor items such as candle holders, picture frames, or plant stands are also great options for quick builds. These projects often require minimal materials and time, but can be sold at a good profit margin. For instance, a simple wooden candle holder can be crafted from scrap wood and finished with a coat of stain or paint. By creating sets of matching decor items, woodworkers can increase their sales potential while providing customers with cohesive design options. The rise of online marketplaces has made it easier than ever for woodworkers to sell their creations. Platforms like Etsy or local Facebook marketplace groups provide access to a broader audience without the need for a physical storefront. High-quality photos showcasing the craftsmanship and unique features of each piece are essential for attracting buyers online. Additionally, engaging descriptions that highlight the materials used and the story behind each item can help to connect with potential customers on a personal level. Networking within local communities can also lead to opportunities for selling quick-build furniture and decor items. Farmers markets, craft fairs, and local artisan shows are excellent venues for showcasing products and meeting potential customers face-to-face. These events allow woodworkers to share their passion for woodworking while gaining valuable feedback on their creations. Offering demonstrations or workshops can further enhance visibility and establish credibility within the community. As trends in home decor continue to evolve, staying informed about popular styles is crucial for any woodworker looking to make money. Minimalist designs have gained popularity in recent years, focusing on clean lines and functionality. Creating sleek furniture pieces that embody this aesthetic can attract buyers looking for modern solutions for their homes. On the other hand, farmhouse-style decor remains a favorite among many consumers who appreciate rustic charm. Incorporating elements like distressed finishes or barn doors into quick-build projects can tap into this ongoing trend. Sustainability is another significant factor influencing consumer purchasing decisions today. Woodworkers who prioritize eco-friendly practices by using reclaimed wood or non-toxic finishes may find themselves appealing to a growing market segment that values sustainability. Highlighting these practices in marketing efforts can help differentiate products from competitors and attract environmentally conscious buyers. In addition to creating individual pieces for sale, woodworkers may consider offering custom commissions as a way to increase income. Many people are looking for unique furniture solutions tailored specifically to their needs. By providing an option for custom builds, whether it's a specific size table or a unique shelving unit, woodworkers can tap into this market while showcasing their skills and craftsmanship. The process of building quick furniture and decor items should also include considerations for efficiency and productivity. Organizing the workspace and having all necessary tools readily available can significantly reduce build time. Planning projects ahead of time, by sketching designs and preparing materials, can streamline the production process. Using jigs for repetitive cuts or assembly can further enhance efficiency, allowing woodworkers to produce multiple items quickly without sacrificing quality. Marketing plays a vital role in turning woodworking skills into a profitable business venture. Building a brand identity that reflects personal style and values can help attract loyal customers. Utilizing social media platforms like Instagram or Pinterest allows woodworkers to showcase their creations visually while connecting with potential buyers. Sharing behind-the-scenes content, such as the building process or finished products in real-life settings, creates engagement and builds trust with followers. Customer service cannot be overlooked when aiming for profitability in woodworking endeavors. Providing excellent service, from prompt communication to ensuring customer satisfaction, can lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Offering warranties or guarantees on products demonstrates confidence in quality craftsmanship and reassures customers about their purchases. As the woodworking community continues to grow, many resources are available for those looking to improve their skills or learn new techniques. Online tutorials, workshops, and woodworking forums provide valuable insights into best practices and innovative ideas for quick builds. Engaging with fellow woodworkers through these platforms fosters collaboration and inspiration while also keeping skills sharp. In conclusion, quick build wood furniture and decor ideas present an exciting opportunity for woodworkers to turn their passion into profit. By focusing on versatile designs that cater to current trends while maintaining efficiency in production processes, anyone can create beautiful pieces that resonate with buyers. Whether through online marketplaces or local events, showcasing unique creations alongside exceptional customer service will pave the way for success in this fulfilling craft. With creativity, dedication, and an understanding of market demands, woodworking can become not just a hobby but a lucrative business venture that brings joy both to the maker and the customer alike. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.